All right, we're going to do a real quick tutorial on how to connect your domain to your 9x12tools.com instance site. This is pretty simple, but it can be a thing for most people. For a lot of people, it can be a struggle. So when you log in and you first set up your site, you will see this little banner here saying you need to get the domain that you have hooked up. So just click your DNS setup button there. And this domain can always be changed. If you want to change your domain to something else, if you typed it in wrong on the onboarding form, that's okay. Just make sure it's your domain here. You can put the www if you want, but it's easier to just put the domain as just the domain. And you will see the records that you need to put into your service provider, whether that's GoDaddy or Spaceship or any other domain provider where you registered your domain. So we'll go over to mine, which is GoDaddy, and we will go ahead and add an A record, and we're going to say it says type A, name is @ and we'll copy the number here. So we'll type in the @ symbol and we'll paste in that and click save. We'll click add a new record and use a CNAME record, which it says here. The name is www, and we'll copy the value, and that's www in the name field. The value is that, and we'll click save on that. And then we'll add one more, and I know it's a TXT type record. So we'll go back and it says _Vercel. We'll copy the value for that because it's rather long. And we'll go over to that. We'll type _Vercel and paste in that and press save. And that is it. Just those 3 records will do. It can take a few minutes to propagate all 3 of these. So give it a minute or 2. Click the recheck verification button here, and there you go. It's already verified. And so now that it's verified, what will happen on the back end, it could be another minute or 2. It's going to generate some security certificates for the domain, connect it all up. And then you should be able to just press this button right here to go straight to that domain and see your site live on that domain. And there we go. So just like that, your domain's hooked up and it is pointing to your brand new instant 9x12 tool site. So then you can get going on all of the customizations for your own content. If you have any questions, you can always hit me up on this chat button on the bottom right here. That'll do it for this little tutorial on how to get your domain hooked up. If you don't have your own domain and you put in a domain you wanted, I will do that for you on the back end and get it all hooked up for you and let you know as soon as it's ready. Take care.